In this video, we're looking at adding integers. So when you're adding integers on a number line, when we're adding a positive integer, this means we're moving to the right. And when we're adding a negative integer, this is the same as subtracting. So it moves to the left. So whenever you have a number line like we've got below, I always like to write on top, plus goes this way, minus goes this way. The next thing, kind of what that second point was saying was, so in our dot point here, you see 2 plus minus 2. So when you have an example where you have the plus and the minus right next to each other like that, essentially it's like saying 2 take away 2. So again here, the plus and then the minus. So it's the same as saying negative 1 take away 5. All right. So when you have something like plus minus next to each other, essentially that's saying that it's a negative. All right, it's a minus. We're subtracting there. All right. So here we're going to look at some examples and we're going to use the number line above to solve them. Now some questions might have bigger numbers than this, so you'll need a bigger number line, but you can draw one in your book, or you could Google one to use online. So how we do this is the first question down here we have, so question 1, minus 4 plus 3. So what this means is I'm going to pick a different color. We're starting at minus 4, and because we're plussing 3 on, we look up here and we notice we're going to the right. So that means I'm moving 3 spots to the right. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer is minus 1. Alright, so if I rub all that out and we do the next one over here, we're going to do question 2. And the same thing, we're starting at 2, so put the dot there. And we're going, it's plus minus 4. So we remember we could rewrite this as 2 take away 4. And minuses or subtractions goes to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is minus 2. Alright, so let's rub that out and we'll do the next one. 3. Again, we could rewrite this as negative 1 take away 2. So we're going to start at our negative 1, and because we're subtracting, we're going to the left, so 1, 2, so my answer is negative 3. And we'll do one more over here. We'll do last question, question 4, negative 3 plus 4, so we're starting here, plus 3, so we're moving 3 spots this way, 1, 2, 3, so our answer is 0. Okay, so feel free to use a number line. If you think you can do it without a number line, you can, but it's there as a tool and you need to use it. So recap, when we're adding integers on a number line, when we're adding a positive integer, we're going to the right. So remember, plus goes this way. And then when we're adding a negative, it's the same as subtraction, and subtraction goes to the left.